Okay friends, let us start now UP PGT Physics solution from 51 to 65 booklet C. ऑलरेडी मैंने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से 15 तक के सॉल्यूशन को अपलोड किया हुआ है. सो 1 से 15 तक के क्वेश्चन को देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और उसे देखें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 51. द शेप ऑफ द Lissajous figures depends upon answers given, the amplitude of the superposing waves, frequencies of superposing waves, the phase difference between the superposing waves. Already we are knowing all three options are right, so all of the above. Option will be D. Sorry, I have written A. Option will be D. So correct option will be D. Question number 52. The ratio of masses of a pion and an electron is about. So we are knowing mass of pion is what? 2.4883 into 10 to the power minus 28 kg, and mass of electron is what? 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. So for finding the ratio of pion and electron mass is, I am going to divide it. Firstly I have kept the mass of pion, then after mass of electron. By solution we are getting 270. So correct option will be what? A. 270 A. Now question number 53. Which of the following circuit is being used in impedance matching? Transistor in common base configuration. First option है transistor in common emitter configuration. Second option. Third option is transistor in common collector configuration. And fourth option is Zener diode in reverse bias. So correct option will be C, transistor in common collector configuration. So I have already written here 53, option number C. Now comes towards the 54. Question number 54. In central force motion, which one of the following physical quantity is conserved? Angular momentum. Which one? Angular momentum. Angular momentum. And this has been given in the option first. A means A. Question number 55. The efficiency of a Carnot engine is 25% if the temperature of its source is 327 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the sink must be. As we are knowing Carnot engine, firstly heat has been given, which is said to be what? Source. Then whatever the work done will be there, and then after what? Sink. Means first temperature will be said to be source, temperature for source T1, and temperature for sink will be what? T2. And as we are knowing, efficiency of for a Carnot engine is what? 1 minus T2 by T1. So from this T2 by T1 is equal to 1 minus eta T2 upon, firstly I have converted 327 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. So 327 plus 273. And 1 minus 25% efficiency has been given, so 25 by 100. It will be 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 4, so we will get 3 by 4. By solving it, we are getting 450 Kelvin, but यहाँ पे attention देना है, 450 Kelvin has been given, and whatever the answers are there, all those answers are in Celsius. So firstly minus 273, then we will get 177 degrees Celsius. So answer will be C. Now question number 56. For incidence at Brewster's angle, the angle between reflected and refracted rays is, this is the direct answer, 90 degree. इसमें निकालना नहीं है. ब्रूस्टर कोड जो होता है वो रिफ्रैक्टेड और रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज के बीच 90 डिग्री का होता है. So I have given the option B. Correct option is B. Next question is, the current in an AC circuit is wattless when the phase difference between current and voltage is pi by 2. This is also the direct question which has been asked. Next question, question number 58. Question number 58 is there. The best filter used in a power supply is, first option L section filter, second option capacitor input filter, third option choke input filter, and fourth is pi section filter. But we are knowing what is the right option? L section filter. So correct option will be A. Now question number 59. Potential energy per unit volume of a strain wire What is it? U is equal to 1 by 2 stress into strain. So for 59, correct option will be C. Next question number 60. The numerical aperture of a microscope is given by. Numerical aperture is equal to what? Mu sin I. So correct option will be B. Question number 61. A half wave plate produces a phase difference between ordinary and extraordinary waves equal to what? Pi. So correct option will be C. Next question number 62. Sorry. Question number 62. There is some problem in this question, so I haven't given the answer. Question number 63. For a van der Waals gas, the inversion temperature at low pressure is. Directly asked question, 2A upon RB. So option is D. Question number 64. This one is also directly asked question. The electric potential due to dipole P at a point distant R from it and in the direction theta from the dipoles is. This is the direct formula, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta upon R square, where P is what? Dipole moment. P is equal to what? Q into 2L, where 2L is the distance in between two charges. Question number 65. 20 grams of ice at 0 degrees Celsius melts to water at 0 degrees Celsius. The entropy change in this process is latent heat of water is 80 calorie per gram. It has been given, means M has been given 20 gram. Firstly, I have converted into kg, but leave it because L, latent heat, has been given into the form of 80 calorie per gram. So gram and gram will be cancelled, so don't need to change it into kilogram. And delta T, so temperature has not been changed. Ice temperature is also 0, and whenever it has been converted into water, again it is 0, so there is no change. But whatever the temperature has been given, that will be converted into 273. It will never taken as a degree Celsius. And we are knowing del S means what? Change in entropy is equal to what? Change in heat upon change in temperature. Change in heat ml upon T. M की value 20, L की value 80, 20 into 80 upon 273. By solving it, we are getting what? 24. Here we are getting the answer in calorie per Kelvin. But for converting it into joule per Kelvin, what I have done here? I have multiplied with 4.2, because we are knowing 1 calorie is equal to what? 4.2 joule. So for converting it into joule, I have multiplied with 4.2. So finally answer will be 24.5 joule per Kelvin. So answer will be A. Correct answer will be A. So thank you friends. So check your answer.